Alright guys, 2025 is almost here and the million-dollar question remains the same. Is coding still worth it, or we better stop wasting our time with it? So here's the thing, for the last few years AI has been the center of attention. From ChatGPT to Bard to tools like Cursor, it seems like every month there's a new innovation that promises to automate our lives. And yeah, some of these tools are super impressive. I mean, they can write boilerplate code, debug, even generate entire functions faster than honestly I could ever have imagined. But here's where it gets interesting. These tools, they're only as good as the person using them. Why? Because while AI can crank out code, it still doesn't understand the logic. Well, at least not all of it. For example, I've been playing around with one of these AI tools recently while working on a small project, and yeah, it spit out lines of code in seconds, sure, but when it came to implementing the actual logic of the project, understanding what the app needed to do, why it needed to do it, and how to adapt when things didn't go as planned, AI kind of struggled. That's where the human brain came in. I'm not even talking about the hallucinations it throws out quite often. So what's the real deal then? Learning to code in 2025 isn't just about memorizing syntax, and honestly it never was. These days tools like AI can take care of the syntax for you. What really matters is learning how to think, how to approach problems logically, creatively and systematically. AI can't really teach you that. Think about it, would you let AI fully build your dream app? Sure, it might knock out the repetitive tasks, but when it comes into innovating, debugging the tricky stuff, or designing features users will actually love, that's still on you. And let's be honest, people are starting to get a little tired of AI anyway. Spend 5 minutes on any forum and you'll see it. AI is amazing, but it's not magic. But wait, what about AI's rapid progress? Look, I get it, every year AI seems to get smarter and faster, but even AI has its limits. Companies like OpenAI are hitting some serious walls. They're running out of high quality data to train their models, and the cost of making these tools more advanced is skyrocketing. Alright, so where does that leave you? Here's the truth, coding isn't just a job skill, it's a mindset. It teaches you how to break down problems, think critically, and come up with solutions from scratch. Those are skills no AI can replace. If you're passionate about coding and genuinely enjoy it, then don't let AI and all this hype distract you. Use these tools to make your work easier and focus on leveling up. On the other hand, if coding feels more like a chore than a passion, maybe it's time to explore something else that you're actually passionate about. So for the takeaway, if you've been wondering whether coding is still worth it in 2025, the answer is a clear yes. But the real question is, do you really want to do it? Let me know in the comments below.